In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect LinkedIn ads to Google Data Studio. We'll walk through the exact path to get your LinkedIn ads data into Google's reporting platform, now called Looker Studio, so you can build clean, shareable dashboards. All you need is a Google account and access to the LinkedIn ad account you want to report on. Start by opening your browser and searching for Google Data Studio, which appears as Looker Studio in search results and on the site. Click through to the official Looker Studio homepage. If you've used other Google products in the same browser, you'll likely be logged in automatically. If not, sign in with the Google account you want to use and make sure it's the right one for creating and sharing reports. On the homepage, look to the top left and click the Create button. Then choose Report. You can also click the large plus sign tile on the homepage to start a blank report. This opens a new canvas and immediately prompts you to add a data source so your report has something to visualize. In the Add Data to Report panel, scroll the list of available connectors or use the search bar to find LinkedIn ads. Select the LinkedIn ads connector. At this point, you may be asked to authorize access. Grant permissions, so Looker Studio can read your advertising data. This only allows reporting and doesn't change anything in your ad account. Next, choose the specific LinkedIn ad accounts and, if prompted, the campaigns you want to pull into the report. Selecting only what you need keeps things simple and can make the report faster to work with. You can always add additional accounts or campaigns later if your reporting scope expands. When your selections look right, click Connect in the top right. In some older interfaces, this button may say Add. Looker Studio will show you a preview of the fields it's bringing in, like impressions, clicks, spend, and conversions. You can proceed with the defaults here and refine fields and types later as needed. From here, you can generate a new report using a template if one is offered, or build from scratch. Templates can instantly populate with charts like spend over time and performance by campaign. Building manually? Start with a date range control, then add a few core charts such as a scorecard for total spend, a time series for trends, and a table breaking down campaigns or ads. Give your report a clear name. Check that numbers align with what you see in LinkedIn, and adjust filters or date ranges to match your reporting needs. That's it. Your LinkedIn ads are now connected to Google Data Studio, ready to visualize and share.